Ay, bakit acoustic? Ayan ang aking microphone meron na. Wala bang hindi acoustic? Balik ko. Hello. Sound check. What's up, River Maya? Am I real? Do the words I speak before make real? That the love I play for you will see no ending. But if you look into my eyes, then you should know that there's nothing here to doubt, nothing to fear. And you can lay your questions down, cause if you hold me, we can fade into the night, and you know the world could die and everything may lie, still you shan't cry. Cause time may pass, but the longer that it lasts, I'll be by your side. Maresipin sana yung mga nagdadahakang neighbor na naiingit sa boses ko. Sa pangalan ni Jesus, Amen. Sa naiingit sa boses ko, magdasdas. This song is for myself to one for. Take my hand and gently close your eyes so you could understand that there's no greater love tonight than what I for you. But if you feel the same way for me, then let go. We can journey to a garden no one knows. Life is short, my darling, tell me that you love me, so we can fade into the night, and you'll know the world could die and everything may lie, still you shan't cry. Cause time may pass and everything won't last, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Shout out to Iselio Andrade, Baby Jaren, Baby Iverson, sa mga sweetest pets ko, sa mga naging pets ko. Alam niyo na yan kung sino kayo. Instrumental muna. I want you to know the world could die and everything may die, still you shan't cry. Cause time may pass and everything won't last, I'll be by your side, forever by your side, forever by your side. So you won't cry. Sa repinal ako manonood ng ang Batang Quiapo, Hais Baglas, Tanggol, sino pa ba? ABS-CBN yan. At saka si Flo G, shout out kay Flo G, kay Itchawi, sa mga gusto kong kapliktapan. Mga pangarap ko makasaya sa Star Magic yun. Hi Vice Ganda. Nag-Taiwan ka, no? Kasama yung ayo na yan. Paniwala